66% of developers have at least some influence over their organization's purchases of new technologies. This is really key. Now, if you come from a bank perhaps, or a more traditional technology organization, you're probably used to your persona being, the customer is a company, and you don't really think about who the user is. And it might be somebody in purchasing, or some other VP that you think is making a decision. Things have really changed over the last number of years, where again, now developers are actually having influence. So knowing what that decision-making unit is for your tool and how developers have influence over that is very much important, again, to how you roll out your product and how you support it. So what we've done, we can go on to the next slide now, as part of what, actually I'll just back up for a minute here. This kind of encapsulates too a number of reasons to think about developers. So often we hear, is development easier or harder today? Often we'll hear, well, it's going to be easier today because there's all these APIs that abstract a lot of that hard work and heavy lifting for developers. There's a lot of low-code tools, but I really believe that development is harder today because there's just more. There's more programming languages, there's more tools, there's more competition, there's more skill set that developers need to know about. So again, if you think about developers are a key decision maker in buying and using your tools, and development is harder, how do you make their life easier? So on to the next slide. Over the course of 15 or more years that I've been working in this space, we put together what we call our developer journey map.